Hello everyone, Mamu here. This is just a short video demonstrating reverse polarity protection with the Littelfuse 15 amp SMD fuses. This is the part number we're working with, and I got my stash at DigiKey. And you'll notice they're very small, which is good because they don't take up a lot of space in the mod. One thing to be cautious with when working with these fuses is that they are heat sensitive and that they can be destroyed if you apply too high of a temperature or too long of a heat when working with them. So just be cautious there. Just apply the flux, a quick swipe with solder on each end, and then a quick swipe attaching the wire so that you don't destroy the fuse. The good thing is the newer generation of fuses that Littelfuse is making, they're not as fragile as the older ones, so that's good for us. But still, be careful. I usually solder at 400 C, and with these fuses I turn the temperature down to 300 C, and I still work very quickly. So we're going to test to make sure that each fuse is working correctly and conducting as it should. Insert one battery in one side and make sure the DNA works. So we're good to go. The fuse is conducting and we're good to go. Okay, so let's take that battery out and put it on the other side. And you can see that the fuse is conducting, so we're good to go there too. So each fuse is working correctly. Put both fuses in, and we have a nice dual parallel configuration here. DNA is working correctly. So let's take one battery out and reverse it. Now without the fuses, with the dual parallel battery configuration, you put one battery in backwards, you're creating a short, you're going to get a huge current dump. The batteries will go into meltdown. The big smoke, the wiring to the batteries will get hot and melt. So reverse polarity protection with dual parallel battery configuration is a good thing because we know how dangerous this can be, and trust me, I've tested it. It's scary. Okay, so let's put this in backwards. You can see the DNA is currently working with the one battery. Let's put this in backwards, and the DNA does not work. The good news is there's no smoke, there's no meltdown. The batteries are cool to the touch. The awesome thing about these fuses are that they pop really quick and will immediately shut down the system to allow current flow, which is safe for us. I mean, you could leave this in forever, not that you'd want to, but it's not going to do any damage. The DNA is okay, you're okay, the batteries are okay. Like I said, without the fuses, you would see heat and smoke and meltdown going on with the batteries. And of course, that's not a good thing. So to reset the DNA, simply take the batteries out and put them back in, both of them back in correctly. And you're good to go. Cool, huh? Thank you for watching. Mamu out.